Hi, Ms. Nemec.
Hello.
My name is Victoria, and I am a student with the Respiratory Care Program through Southeast Community College. Today, I'm going to be taking a listen to your breath sounds. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. Before we get started here, can you verify your birth date for me?
Sure. 05/11/94.
Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands here using an alcohol-based hand sanitizer rub. And then I'm going to just go ahead and clean my stethoscope before we get started here using an alcohol prep pad. I'm just going to go ahead and warm this up a little bit so it's not so cold for you.
Okay.
So I'm just going to be taking a listen to your breathing sounds today. I'm going to have you sit on the edge of your chair, and when I listen to the front, I'm going to have you just sit forward like you normally would with your feet dangling. And then when I go to the back and start listening on the back side of your body, I'm going to have you just lean slightly forward for me, okay? And you'll just continue to take deep breaths, open-mouthed.
Okay.
Okay? That should be nice and warm. Go ahead and put my stethoscope on. I just want to make sure that it's working properly here. Okay, everything sounds good here. So I'm just going to have you go ahead and we'll just turn you right like this and just go ahead and sit upright as best you can with your feet dangling. All right. Go ahead and take a deep breath for me. I'm going to go ahead and take a listen to the back now. You can just lean forward for me slightly. All right, go ahead and take a deep breath. Okay, Ms. Nemec, your breathing sounds today sounded normal. Thank you very much. Is there anything else I can do for you right now?
Nope.
Okay, have a good day.
You too.